So what I've done is I've used inheritance and abstract members together in order to make a algorithm that I can reuse over and over and over again. And this is an actual codified design pattern called the template method. When you abstract out process number, do you have to provide the overload with matching overloads in the child classes? Yeah, I have to provide the override in both of these overrides because these are overriding an abstract method. So now let's go ahead and jump into printer, and I'm going to hit F11 and we jump into run. So now that we're in run, let's watch what happens when I get to process number. When a process number gets invoked, our console even number printer's process number gets invoked. But now if I were to jump into printer 2 and hit F11, when its process number gets invoked, the file event or file even number printer gets invoked. Can you leave that off in the abstract part? I don't know what you mean. Line 21. Yeah, you have to provide a complete method signature. Yes, the overload does matter. So this abstract is of this overload. I could create another process number method that isn't abstract, but has a different overload. So Nato, did that further confuse you, or did that maybe solidify something, at least as far as how we can use inheritance and abstract members to do something interesting, and how we can take advantage of the behavior that it doesn't matter what the variable type is that we're working with, even though we're working with the right types here, they don't necessarily have to be, but how by invoking the run method, internally, the process number method of the corresponding objects gets invoked.